Hello and welcome back, nail queens. I am really excited to do this video because one, I love Nail Addict LA gel polishes. This is a package they sent me of their new fall releases. But two, I love fall most of all, and that is so true. If you've been around me for a few years now, then you know for sure that I love fall. I love all things fall. I love Halloween. I just love the temperature dropping, the change in the air, the food. Oh, the food. Which, by the way, this orange color, looks delicious. Looks like a gorgeous pumpkin, if you ask me. I love all of these colors that Nail Addict sent me, so I'm excited to unbox them, show you all the swatches, and stay tuned for the end because I did a manicure with one of these colors, and I'm really excited with how it turned out. I actually really love it. Probably my most favorite fall manicure I've done so far, and we haven't even reached the first day of fall. The cap on this gel fell off in transit, but it's an easy fix. You just pop it right back on and it's back to normal. So there's a total of 7 gel polishes in my package. There's this burnt orange, this light brown, then you have these gorgeous like jewel tone colors. The blue one is obviously definitely the one I'm using today because I love blue. It's my favorite color in case you didn't know. But this like shimmery reddish color, I don't know what to say about it other than it's beautiful. And then here's 3 other colors. There's a gray, a darker brown, and this is actually a much brighter orange. I wouldn't qualify it as fall. This orange is more fall to me. So these are probably my 3 favorite colors here. So I'm going to get to swatching and I'll be right back. So here is the first color called Sweater Weather. It is a creamy, solid, like taupey brown color, more on the khaki side, I would say, and it would probably make great for like camo and Veterans Day style manicures. Pair this with a really nice camo glitter and you're good to go, or even stamping, which by the way, that is what I'm going to do today. Is at the end of this video you're going to see the color I chose and the stamping nail art that I did to go with my mani. Now and Always is the solid gray, and I love it because I feel like gray is what white would be for like spring and summer. It's the white for fall. It's very neutral. It's a darker shade, so it helps a lot for transition manis. So if you feel like white sticks out like a sore thumb in your fall manis, but you want to do like nail art on top of it, go for a light gray or a medium gray. I feel like it would be a great addition to a manicure. So Maple Syrup, love the name by the way, I feel like sticks out like a sore thumb in comparison to the rest of the colors in this collection. However, it is bright, it is corally, it is beautiful, and I will never say no to a bright coral orange. It's really gorgeous and could probably make some great like Halloween manicures. Mountain Walk, my favorite, my absolute favorite. So this color is a dark tealy blue. It does have like teal undertones to it. So my heart just gravitated towards it. It's my literally favorite color. So here when I'm swatching, you can see the teal tones to it. So that is why I chose this one as the color I was going to use in my manicure later on, and you'll see that at the end of the video. I love this color so much. Sunfall is my second favorite in this collection. It is like a spiced orange. I don't know how to describe this other than it is my favorite fall orange. Like this is the tone that I love for fall. When I think of fall, I think of this. So, and there's also a vintage dress that I have, vintage reproduction dress that I have that's in this color, and it's my favorite dress in my closet. And then the next color that we're moving on to is After Dark. So this is a darker brown. So there's a lighter brown in here. It was like the taupey one that I showed you guys earlier. This is like more of a chocolatey brown. Absolutely perfect for fall manicures. It reminds me of the leaves that fall on the ground, and it reminds me that change is beautiful. Who else loves the fall color change when the leaves change colors and you get all of the colors? You get the reds, the oranges, the yellows, the crunchy browns. I love it, and this is what that color reminds me of. It reminds me of fallen, crunchy, changed leaves. So this next color is called Sangria. This one has a shimmer sheen to it. So it's definitely different than the rest that we've seen so far. The rest have been solids, creamy solids. This one has it's not really a shimmer, but it has like this really unique sheen to it. And you can tell that it like sparkles back at you. So this color is my third favorite in the collection. It is so rich and gorgeous. So I'm going through and I'm showing you guys all the swatches one by one, and I'll see you at the end of the video. And then for some last second color comparisons, this is maple syrup and Sunfall. And then you have After Dark and Sweater Weather. So you can see how close they are and compare and see which ones you like. And then for the final three that really don't look anything like each other but would make a great manicure, here you go. But before I leave, I want to show you guys the mani that I ended up doing. So I used Mountain Walk, which is the blue, and I stamped different designs from a stamping plate on top of like a milky white builder gel. And yeah, that's my manicure. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And if you guys like this video too, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to have you guys here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!